Hi guys, welcome back. So now we will learn about rational and irrational numbers in this class. So set of rational numbers and irrational numbers together are called real numbers. Okay. So what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are nothing but they can be written as a fraction, that is a by b, where a and b are integers and b will not be equal to 0. So the denominator, that is b, will not be equal to 0. So for example, 0.5, that can be written as 1 by 2, that is fraction a by b. Okay. 0.333 can be written as 1 by 3. Okay. Then 7 can be written as 7 by 1. Minus 3 can be written as minus 3 by 1, and 0.142857 can be written as 1 by 7. Okay. Similarly, irrational numbers. In irrational numbers, it is like you cannot write it as a fraction, so you cannot represent a number in a by b form. Okay. So for example, pi is a very famous irrational number that we have, that is 3.14159, and these never terminate. And root 2, root 3, root 5, all these are called irrational numbers. Okay. Let's see real numbers. Okay. So we have rational and irrational. These two together will form rational and real numbers. Okay. Rational numbers are nothing but a by b, where b not equal to 0, and irrational number you cannot write them in a by b form. So for example, uh, zero point 0.2. Okay, this can be written as 1 by 5, whereas irrational number pi, root 2, root 3, root 7, all these cannot be written as a by b form. Okay, so now we will see some examples. Okay, 1.3. So 1.3 can be written as 13 by 10. So since it can be written in a by b form, this can be called a rational number. And zero point 0.6 dot. So whenever I think you must have learned this in your earlier classes, like in your previous class, maybe in 8th, 7th, or 9th standard. That so if it is written as zero point 0.6 dot, this can be written as 6666. Okay, like this. And a simple rule, I'll tell you a shortcut. So zero point 0.6 dot means you can directly write 6 by 9. Okay, 6 by 9, 2 3 3 2s are 3 3s are, you can simplify this in 2 to 2 by 3. And if you check this, zero point 0.6 dot 666 can be represented in a by b, that is 2 by 3. So zero point 0.6 is a rational number. Similarly, root 3 is a square root of 3, and 3 is not a square number. What are square numbers? Say something like 4, 9, 25, 16. So these are square numbers. So something like 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 4 square. So these are square numbers. Whereas this 3 is not a square number. So square root of a non-square number will be a irrational number. Then minus 2, 3 by 5. Okay, how will you convert a mixed fraction into normal fraction? So 5, first you multiply these two. 5 twos are 10, and 10 plus 3 is 13 by 5, that is minus 13 by 5. Okay, you can write it in a by b form. So minus 2 3 by 5 is also a rational number. So similarly, root of 25. How can you write root of 25? Square root of, you can write as 5 into 5. So 5 square is nothing but 5. Okay, 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So since square root of 25 can be represented in a by b form, that is 5 by 1, square root of 25 is a rational number. Okay, similarly, cube root of 8. So 8 is a cube number. How? So cube root of 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So 3 times 2 is nothing but 8. So 2 cube, 2 cube, cube root of 2 cube is nothing but 2. So 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So cube root of 8 can be written in a by b form. So 2 by 1 is a by b form, then you can say that cube root of 8 is rational number. Okay, similarly root 7 is a irrational number because 7 is not a square number. Now 0.625, this can be written as 625. So you have 3 digits after decimal, so you will write 3000. Okay, this can be simplified as 25 is a 625, 25 is a 25 4 by 40, 5 5 is a 5 8, so 5 by 8. So you can write 0.625 as a by b, that is 5 by 8. So 0.625 is also your rational number. 0.1. So what did I say? It will just repeat 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this can be written as 11 by 99. Okay, 11 1 is so 1 by 9. Okay, so since this can be written in a by b form, it is called rational number. Okay, we'll see some more examples. Root 2 into root 3. So root 2 is a irrational number and root 3 is also irrational number. When we multiply it, what will it become? Root 6. Root 6 is also irrational number. Okay, then root 2 plus root 3, both are irrational numbers, and if you add them, that's also irrational. Then root 2 into root 3 whole square. Okay, this can be written as root 2 whole square. So square and square root will get cancelled. 2 by 3, 2 into 3 is 6. 6 can be written as 6 by 1. So this is a rational number. Okay, similarly root 8 by root 2. So you can write it as square root of 8 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. So what is square root of 4? That is 2. Okay, this can be written as 2 by 1. So since you can write it as 2 by 1, that is a by b form, root 8 by root 2 is a rational number. Similarly 2 root 5 by 2 root 20. Okay, I can cancel 2 2. I can say 5 by 20. 5 ones are 5 fours are, that is 1 by 4. This I can write as root of 1 square by 2 square, so you can directly write as 1 by 2. So since I can write this as a by b form, this is also a rational number. Now 4 plus root 9 minus 4. Okay, this can be written as 4 plus root 9 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is gone, left with root 9. Root 9 is a square number, 3 into 3 under square root, so 3 square under square root, this will be 3. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. So this is also a rational number. Okay, so now let's go to next problem. Say there is a rectangle with 3 and 4. Okay, we need to find the length of the diagonal, and we need to say whether this length of diagonal is rational or irrational. Okay, I hope you all know Pythagoras theorem. Okay, side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So here it is a right angle, so this is hypotenuse, so we can say as side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So 9 plus 16 is equal to hypotenuse square. If you just want hypotenuse, if you bring square to this side, it will become square root. Square root of 9 plus 16 is 25. So hypotenuse is 5. So this is 5. It means 5 by 1. You can write it as 5 by 1, a by b form. So it is a rational. Okay. Next, say there is a circle with radius 4 centimeters, and if circumference is rational or irrational. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So 2 pi into 4, that is 8 pi. So since pi is irrational, anything multiplied to a irrational number is irrational. So circumference of the circle is irrational. Then we'll go to a square whose diagonal is root 72. Now what is the length of the side of a square? Side, all sides are equal, but this is a Pythagoras theorem, so a square plus a square equal to hypotenuse square. So square root cancel. 2a square is equal to 72. So a square equal to, if 2 goes that side, 2 is multiplying here. If it goes to right hand side, it will become divide. 2 is nothing but 36. 72 by 2 is 36. So a square is 36 implies a is 6, because a equal to root 36, that can be written as 6 into 6. Root 6 square is 6. So side can, a 6 can be written as 6 by 1. So a by b form. So side of this square is rational number. Now area of circle of radius is 1 by root pi. Okay. So what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So now pi into r square. 1 by root pi. What can be done here? So pi into 1 square is 1. Root pi root pi square is root and 2 will get cancelled. Pi. So pi and pi is cancelled. So 1. Area of circle is 1 centimeter square or something. So 1 can be written as 1 by 1. So this is a rational number. Okay. This is how we solve some of the problems related to rational and irrational numbers. Okay. In next class, most probably we will talk about square roots, cube roots. Okay. So tata, bye bye. See you in next class.